Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about SEO and how to avoid some common mistakes that could be holding you back from ranking higher on search engines. If you're looking to boost your website's visibility and drive more traffic, stick around, as we're going to be covering 15 common SEO mistakes that you need to avoid. Not optimizing for keywords. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not optimizing your website for keywords. Make sure you research the keywords that people are searching for and include them in your website's content and meta tags. Ignoring mobile optimization. With the increasing use of mobile devices to access websites, it's important to ensure that your website is optimized for mobile. A mobile-friendly website will load faster and provide a better user experience, leading to higher search engine rankings. Not using header tags. Header tags help search engines understand the structure of your content, and they're also a great way to improve readability for your users. Make sure to use header tags such as H1, H2, and H3 appropriately. Overusing keywords. While keywords are important for SEO, it's also important to avoid overusing them. This practice, known as keyword stuffing, can actually harm your rankings and lead to penalties from search engines. Not having a sitemap. A sitemap is a great way to help search engines crawl and index your website. Make sure you have a sitemap in place, and that it's updated regularly. Not having a robots.txt file. A robots.txt file is used to control the access of search engine robots to your website. It's important to have one in place to prevent search engines from indexing pages you don't want them to. Not having a proper URL structure. Having a clear and easy to understand URL structure can help search engines understand the content on your website and improve your rankings. Make sure your URLs are descriptive and use relevant keywords. Not using alt tags for images. Alt tags are a way to describe images for both users and search engines. By using descriptive alt tags, you can help search engines understand the content on your page and improve your rankings. Not having a fast website. Website speed is a crucial factor in SEO, as a slow website can negatively impact user experience and lead to lower rankings. Make sure your website loads quickly by using fast hosting, compressing images, and minimizing the use of plugins. Not having a secure website. Having a secure website is important for both user trust and search engine rankings. Make sure your website has an SSL certificate and that it's properly configured to use HTTPS. Not using social media. Social media can be a great way to drive traffic to your website and improve your rankings. Make sure you have a presence on relevant social media platforms and that you're regularly posting content. Not having unique content. Search engines value unique and high-quality content, so make sure you're not copying content from other websites or using duplicate content. Not having a blog. Having a blog is a great way to regularly post unique and high-quality content, which can help improve your rankings. Make sure you're regularly posting on your blog and that you're targeting keywords in your posts. Not having internal links. Internal links are a great way to help search engines understand the structure of your website and improve the user experience. Make sure you're using internal links within your content to connect related pages and posts. Not tracking your results. Finally, it's important to track your results and make changes based on what's working and what's not. Make sure you're using tools such as Google Analytics to track your website's traffic and rankings, and that you're regularly making changes to improve your results. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video on 15 common SEO mistakes to avoid for boosted rankings. By avoiding these mistakes, you can improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately achieve higher search engine rankings. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.